So in case you forget the password or the pin or pattern of your Galaxy S23 phone and you can't get into the phone, then the only solution is to perform a hard factory reset. So first, grab a USB cable, and ideally you want to use the USB cable that comes in the box, but any USB Type-C cable will work as long as it's a data cable. So I have this one, which is USB Type-C and USB Type-A on the other side. You can use that, or you can use the cable that came in the box, which is Type-C to Type-C, but the other end of that cable needs to be connected to a computer. Okay, so if you have a computer with a Type-C cable, or I mean with a Type-C port, you can connect it straight away. And if you have a computer with a Type-A port, then you can use a Type-C to Type-A cable. So connect the cable to the phone, and then the other end into a computer, a laptop, a MacBook, whatever computer you want to connect to. And so what you're going to do here is force a shutdown and then force restart into recovery mode. Okay, so press and hold the power button plus volume down button until the phone goes off, and once it goes off, release this and then press the volume up button while still holding the power button until you see the Samsung logo, and then you can release. Okay, so side button plus volume down, press and hold, just keep holding until the phone goes off. Keep holding. Now the phone has gone off, so switch to volume up and keep holding. Keep holding. We have not released the power button yet, but now we are on volume up. Keep holding. Samsung logo appears. You can now release, and the phone should now go into recovery mode. There you go. So that's what you're supposed to do ideally. And then once you get into recovery mode, you can scroll down until you get to, let me just scroll up once again. Now basically here we are using the volume rockers to scroll up and down and the power button to select. Okay, so select wipe data / factory reset, as you can see, and then select that by pressing the side key or the power button, and then it's going to ask if you're sure. It also says this will wipe all user data, so go down and select factory data reset and then press the side key, and the factory data reset process will begin. As you can see down there, it says wiping data. So all you need to do is be patient until you see data wipe complete. So as you can see, it says the data wipe is complete, and that basically means we are ready to reboot the system. So reboot system now is selected, so I'll just press the side key and allow the phone to reboot. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.